This is the ultimate Arduino Uno compatible board for makers, enthusiasts, and educators. ROBO UNO Plus is an open hardware board fully compatible with Arduino Uno R3 board, designed to expand its ecosystem with added hardware features for greater versatility, making it ideal for enthusiasts and educators. ROBO UNO Plus incorporates directly to the board 4 push buttons, 3 RGB LEDs, a buzzer, a no-LED display connector, a JST-SH port for plug and play connectivity. Let's take a look at more specifications that this board has. Microcontroller Atmega 328P, input voltage 5 volt DC, 14 digital pins, 6 PWM outputs, 8 analog inputs, 32 kilobytes of flash memory, 16 megahertz of clock speed, CP2102 USB 2 serial chip, Type-C USB connector. ROBO UNO Plus comes with a double pin header, providing increased connectivity options for additional sensors, actuators, and expansion modules. 20 full project examples for ROBO UNO Plus are available in a GitHub repository. These examples include police siren, piano sketch, traffic light sketch, washing machine sketch, Thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.